Hello students, we are studying chapter linear equation in two variables and today's topic is graph of line parallel to x-axis and y-axis. Suppose the equation is given y is equal to 2. How will you show this equation or graph of this equation? Draw the line. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, then -1, -2, -3. Suppose the name of line is y dash. It is not necessary. Horizontal line is always in x. You can use any notation for the line, any alphabet A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z. Okay. But on Cartesian plane, horizontal one is x-axis and vertical one is y-axis. Clear? So where is 2? 2 is here. Okay. But on Cartesian plane, if you want to show y is equal to 2, then what to do? Suppose this is our x-axis. And now draw the line which is y-axis, y dash. So 1, 2, 3. Here is 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3, 1, 2 and 3. Now y is equal to 0. Sorry, y is equal to 2. We can write this equation in the form of two variables. How? What is the standard form of linear equation? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. We will rearrange this equation. 0x plus y is equal to 2. Isn't it? If x is 1, that time y is 2. When x is 2, that time y is 2. When x is 3, that time y is 2, because every time if you want x equal to 1, 0 multiplied by 1, 0 means y is equal to 2. Put x equal to 2, 0 multiplied by 2 is 0 means y is equal to 2. Put x equal to 3, then 0 multiplied by 3 is y is like, let me explain. Suppose put x equal to 1, then equation is 0 multiplied by 1 plus y is equal to 2 means y is equal to 2. When x is 1, that time y is 2. Put x equal to 2, then 0 multiplied by 2 plus y is equal to 2 means y is equal to 2. Means when x is 2, that time y is also 2. Put x equal to 3. So it is again y is equal to 2, like this. Now we are plotting these points on the Cartesian plane. Okay. So first is 1, 2 means here. Okay. Then second is 2, 2 means here. Then third is 3, 2 means here. This is our 3, 2. This is our 2, 2 point. This is our 1, 2. Now we are joining this. Join the line passing through. It is the line of equation y is equal to 2. Clear? Understood? Now we are thinking about x-axis. This line is parallel to x-axis, isn't it? So we are thinking about x-axis. Take any point on x-axis. We are thinking about this. This is 1, y coordinate is 0. The second point 2, 0. Third point 3, 0. Means on x-axis y coordinate is 0. Y coordinate is 0. That is why the equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. Why? Because for every point y is constant. What is? every point y is constant, means every time y is 0. That is why the equation of x-axis is y is equal to, what is constant here? 0 is constant. That is why the equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. Isn't it? As same, this line is parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis means the values of x coordinates are different. Here is 1, here is 2, here is 3. Isn't it? But the value of y is constant every time or for every point. It is only 2. Here is minus 1, 2. Here is minus 2, 2. Then here is minus 3, 2. Means x coordinate is different. Here is minus 3, here is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 2, then 1, 2, 2, 2 and 3, 2. Means every time the value of x coordinate is different, but y coordinate is constant. Ordinate is constant. That is why the equation of that line is y is equal to constant. Y is equal to constant. In short, we can write y is equal to c. C is the notation for constant. And what is constant here? It is 2. Isn't it? Means, what is the conclusion? The line parallel to x-axis. The equation of line parallel to x-axis is always y is equal to constant. What is? Y is equal to constant. The line parallel to x-axis. The equation of the line parallel to x-axis is always y is equal to constant, y is equal to c. Isn't it? Clear? Now, one more example we are taking. Say, here we took, what is? We use y is equal to 2. Now we are using x is equal to 2. Okay? X is equal to 2. Again, same process we are using. So show on the number line. This is the number line. Let me clean it first. X is equal to 2. Again draw the number line. Okay. 0, 1, 2, then minus 1, minus 2. Where is, this is the line x, x dash. Where is x? Equal to 2, here is. Isn't it? But we have to arrange this equation in two variables. Then equation is x equal to 2. Then x plus 0y is equal to 2. Okay. Now we are plotting the values of y. So choose the value of y. Then when y is 0, we are using 0. So 0 multiplied by 0 is equal to 2, x equal to 2. Then use 1, y is equal to 1. So x plus 0 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2, x equal to 2. Okay. Then use 2. Again x equal plus 0 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2. Therefore x is equal to 2. Means for different values of y, x is, sorry, I wrote something wrong here. We are taking the value of y. For the different values of y, x is constant. Isn't it? For the different values of y, here we choose y is equal to 0, then y is equal to 2, here y is 1. Clear? So different values of y, we choose different values of y and we got x is constant every time, it is 2. Now we are plotting these points on the Cartesian plane. Isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So first point is 2, 0 means here 2, 0. Then 1, 2, 1. 2, 1 means here. And next is 2, 2 means here. Isn't it? Draw the line passing through these points. It is the line of equation x is equal to 2. Okay. So this point is 2, 2. This point is 2, 1. This point is 2, 0. Means for the different values of y, x coordinate is constant. Okay. Now we are thinking about y-axis. Choose different values on y. Here this point, this point, this point. Here x coordinate is 0. X coordinate is 0. X coordinate is 0. This also you can choose minus 1. 0, minus 2. Isn't it? Means for different values of y, x is constant. That is why the equation of y-axis is equal to x is equal to constant. X is equal to constant, and what means x is equal to c, and what is c is here? It is 0. That is why the equation of y-axis is x equal to 0. Means from this we can conclude the line parallel to the y-axis. The line parallel to the y-axis is in the form, equation is in the form x is equal to constant. The line parallel to y-axis, the equation of the line parallel to y-axis is x equals to constant, x is equal to c. In short, we can write x is equal to c. And for the y-axis, what is c? C is 0. That is why the equation of y-axis is x equal to 0. Clear? Understood everybody? Now we are taking one more example, and we are showing the geometrical representation as well as presentation on Cartesian plane. Okay. What is the question? Question is, give the geometric representation of, question is, give geometric representation of y is equal to 4 as an equation number 1 in one variable, and second in two variable. Okay. Now we are taking this example. Okay, so y is equal to 4. Geometric representation means just show on the number line. Okay, this is the number line. Then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So suppose this is y, line is y. So where is the, or let me choose the vertical one. Let it be. Here is the point. Point is, this is 4 point. 1, 2, 3. This is the geometric representation of the line y is equal to 4. Isn't it? Now, this is in one variable. Now we are taking in two variables. Y is equal to 4. We will rewrite this equation 0x plus y is equal to 4. Now choose the values of x. Different values of x. X, y. Put x equal to 0. X equal to 0. Then y is equal to 4. Put x equal to 1. Put x equal to 1. Then 0 multiplied by 1 plus y is equal to 4 means y is equal to 4. Isn't it? Put x equal to 2. X equal to 2. 0 multiplied by 2 is 0. Plus y is equal to 4 means y is equal to 4. Clear? We got the points. Now, plot these points on the Cartesian plane. This is our x axis and y axis. Clear? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Now we are plotting points. First 0, 4 means here 0, 4. X coordinate is 0. Then 1, 4. 1, 4 means here 1, 4. Then 2, 4 means here. This is 2, 4 and draw the line. This is the line of equation y is equal to 4. Isn't it? What was our conclusion? The line parallel to x-axis is always in y. The equation of line parallel to x-axis is always in y. Remember, the line parallel to x-axis is always in y, and here the values of x coordinate is, what is, here is 0, 4, here is 1, 4, here is 2, 4, means x coordinate is different, here is 0, here is 1, here is 2, but y coordinate is constant, that is 4. That is why the equation of this line is y is equal to 4. Understood what is the geometric representation and equation in two variable? Clear? Isn't it? Okay.